So it says there's no air for the engine to burn in space, and there's no air for the rocket to push against in space. In spite of what they think, rockets can and do fly in a vacuum. We're going to put that to the test. What we're demonstrating here is that you got to have something to blow against. Okay, but if Newton's third law is accurate, then the air coming out the back, that paper shouldn't matter. It should blow anyway. But so let's see what happens when we unpinch the first one.
Everybody get down!
Alright. Now, let's see what happens when we unpinch the second one.
Oh my God.
Here we go. I'm going to just demonstrate the thrust.
All done.
So you see that it's pushing. Okay, it's got something to push. That wasn't even on high. So this is on higher. You'll see the push. So it's very obvious, very apparent that the thrust we get when we're pushing on the air.
Playing with a reef blower? That's the most childish thing I've ever heard of. But it's fun!
I'm going to turn this on. We're going to see if the combustion adds that much more thrust, because they say that there's a chamber. We know that you can't get ignition in a vacuum. Okay, Cody's lab did a great job demonstrating that. They flat out will not combust in a vacuum. So,
is that really true?
All right, let's see what it's got in here. Whew. Oh dear, looks like it was successful. So there you go. Rocket motors can produce just as much thrust, if not a little bit more, in vacuum as they can in air. As they're not pushing against the air, they are pushing against the fuel that is being burned and thrown overboard. Now the rocket was difficult to ignite in a vacuum because it needed some pressure to get the fuel grain to burn, but once I did that, it did just fine.
that's it. So I let it go out. Pretty much the same push. It's the same push lit as it is unlit.
Oh my God.
You see the combustion, to be honest, is not hardly adding shit.
Come on.
Now that was a flame.
I'm not beyond being convinced, but I'm just, like I said, once again, I don't think that there's no rockets up there. I'm just skeptical on how high they say they go and what's up there. I don't believe it to be a vacuum.
Okay, turn on the suction. It's working.